I want to thank Matthew Hillman from Trade Techs Industry in Port Hope for lending the equipment that you will be seeing demonstrated by a summer co-op student, one of 8 that Jeff Moxley has been mentoring. Jeff Moxley is the GIS coordinator for the Ganaraska Region Conservation Authority. And this is an example of how to optimize existing resources in the community to support innovation and planning that will allow our communities to leverage digital twins to build better, smarter homes.
Hey, Stuart, who are you? And what are you showing us? And how is this AI tool going to get you your dream job in planning?
All right, well, my name's Stuart. I'm from London, Ontario. I go to school there for a GIS and urban planning program where I work with a lot of softwares from Trimble softwares to ARC programs such as ArcGIS Pro, as well as CAD programs. This device here to my right is the Hilti PLT 400. Which is a advanced total station that's usable by a single user and helps in the design of, it helps laying out CAD drawings in real time. You can import CAD drawings onto this tablet here, reference the points as you would with a total station using this device, and then proceed to draw all the lines using spray paint and receivers as well to lay out any kind of construction platform you're looking to do, like foundations is a good idea. And this is a useful device for someone who's from my program or in my position because it's a great way to integrate CAD softwares from office workers to boots on the ground workers who are actually actively building structures.
That's cool. Now, that device is blinking at me. Is that a robot?
Certainly to some degree. There's some assistance built into it as it has a bunch of tracking features that allow you to set this up and then move around in the field and record points using the tablet here without actually having to have a second man on the device itself for point recording.
Cool. Are you going to demo this or?
Certainly we can do a demo.
Go for it.
Yeah. Start with this.
So what's that you got in your hand?
This is the Prism here. It's a specially designed piece of equipment that uses very intricately cut glassware in order to reflect light directly back at the total station itself. And that is how we take our recordings.
So let's assume you're out in on a construction site.
Mm-hmm.
And what are you doing as you're on the construction site?
At this moment,
Yeah.
I am just referencing the total station to the exact piece of equipment that I'm using in my hand here, because there are varying specialty prisms that you can use for different jobs. And then once the software has become familiar with the device that I'm using in the field, which is what that noise just meant, I should now be able to.
Oh, now its eyes lit up. It seems to be excited. It even looks like it has a smile on its face. So is this dependent on bandwidth, or does it work offline?
It works offline, but it does have a Wi-Fi receiver built into it because Wi-Fi has a higher range comparatively to Bluetooth. So the Hilti device over there actually transmits its own Wi-Fi, not with an internet connection, but that's the bandwidth that it uses to connect with this receiver here. So you can actually be quite a large distance away from it and through some thin walls before it'll disconnect.
Cool.
As you can see, if I move slowly, I'm very close to it, which is
Yeah.
hardly an issue, but it's able to track the prism as it moves through the field, and it can even track it around walls and columns and other solid structures.
Neat. Very good. And then tell us about your dream job and how this AI-enabled technology isn't going to replace your job, but it's going to make it more exciting.
Well, this makes the world of planning and site planning even more exciting because, like I said, it kind of it makes the transfer from a CAD drawing to the actual field work itself a much simpler process, and it makes it, in my mind, much clearer for everyone to be on the same page because this device allows you to reference your actual physical job site to the approved plans.
Very good. Well, we're hoping that you apply for the Director of Planning for the town of Coburg because she's just left for another job, and that's our 4th planner in less than 2 years. Thank you.
Thank you.